Heating unit got you down? Short on cash? Then call the experts at the City of Dublin Natural Gas during the Great Water Heater Roundup. Right now, we can provide you up to 60 months at 0% interest on every gas furnace, natural gas tank or tankless hot water heater, or combination gas heating and water heating system. Your payment is simply added to your monthly natural gas bill. Plus, the City of Dublin will provide a free tank-type 40-gallon natural gas water heater when you swap in that old electric, propane, or older model natural gas water heater. You simply pay or finance your installation charge. Don't be left out in the cold this winter. Call today, 277-5048, 277-5048. Dublin Natural Gas. Comfortable and responsible, and right now during the Great Water Heater Roundup, 0% for 60 months.